guys, today's Saturday. Quick update, gonna help a coworker of mine with the open house he has. He just got this listing last week for 1.5, so pretty exciting. It's his first listing as well, so decided to go give him a hand so I could kind of get my feet wet to see what it's like to host an open house, kind of what to expect, what to say. Should be good. And it's gonna be 90 something degrees today. I'm gonna some shirt, some jeans, sports coat, because the area it's in, it's like it's on almost an acre, a lot of land, so it's like mostly ranchers and like people with like horses and stuff.
I don't know nothing about horses.
Now you're getting a crash course, Jimmy.
We were discussing what we should wear, and he didn't think wearing a suit was appropriate just because it's not that kind of crowd. I feel like a cowboy right now, I'm just missing a hat. So hopefully it goes well. We'll update you guys later to see what transpired. So I'm back home, got home about an hour ago. It's 6 o'clock now. The open house was pretty slow. There was one couple that came, and it was at the very end. Like the open house was from 1 to 4, and they came in at 3:55. We stayed a little longer, me and Peter. They seem pretty interested, which is nice because all it takes is one to get sailed through. So back at it again tomorrow. It's supposed to be 100 degrees. The good thing is the house has AC and there's fans, so basically just gonna try to stay inside and not really go outside. Gonna start on dinner soon. These guys are out here running around. They're sitting now, but as you can see, the mess they're tracking in from ripping up their toys. Mind you, I just vacuumed and mopped these floors 2 days ago, and it looks like I haven't cleaned it in a week already. It's so hard to put ice in the water. I don't know if you can see, most of it melted already. Stretching. Ah! Boy, you're gonna jump on me like that. Ow! Can I help you? Ow. Ow. It's crazy.
Hey guys, long time no see. I know. I am finally off from work. I mean, today's my day off. I have actually 2 more days off in a row. I'm surprised. Usually only have like 1 day off and then work and then another day off, which annoys me the most. I'm just getting some iced coffee ready right here in the machine because it's been hot. As you can tell, my face is already flushed. That's how warm it is. Currently it's around 96 degrees already and it's sunny with a little bit of breeze, but it's like warm air. A quick little update. So after going to Disneyland, we all caught COVID. I think it started with Illy first, and then Illy gave it to me, and then obviously I gave it to Jules, and then, you know, Omar was with us, so then we all had it. So we were all basically COVID positive, and we had to be quarantined and all that stuff. Luckily, we are all fully vaccinated as well as boosted. So I think that really helped because I hear stories, and also both Illy and I are asthmatic. So that was very scary, but luckily we were okay. I want to say I healed within like honestly 3 solid days. After the first day of like just dead in bed, the second day I was kind of restless, so I started cleaning out the fridge, organizing it. And then the third day I was just dead again. And then poor Jules, he got it like near the end after us, after me and Illy was getting better. And then Omar had it like last, so he was like the worst one out of all of us in the end. I think I was out from work for like a week, solid week, 7 days. And I felt a lot better. I mean, honestly, to this very day right now, we are all still kind of like, at least me and Jules, I can say, are still kind of phlegmy. Had that like cough. Maybe not the lingering cough that always happens when you get sick. So it was like a severe, sorry, that's a coffee machine brewing coffee if you're wondering what the hell that noise is. But yeah, I still have like little glimpses of like phlegmy stages, and where my body's just trying to, you know, build antibodies and get all that bad stuff out of me. That's the only update. That's why there was a big chunk of time gone from my vlogging, and Jules vlogging too. Jules at the office today. I'm about to go pick up Illy from school. Today's Monday. I'm thinking about making chicken thigh spring rolls for dinner. Something light. we've all been feeling like we want something light to eat versus heavy because it's been warm out and it doesn't feel, you know that feeling like you just feel like too much food makes you feel sluggish, and it's already kind of hard to like function with this warm weather that we're not really used to still. But yeah, that is the plan. I got carrots, I believe, and then I got radish. Maybe I'll ask Jules to pick up cilantro for me and him. I think we have cilantro actually. I bought some. We have lettuce. I think we'll be okay. So because I was out that whole week of work, the following week when I went back, because I'm part-time at work and they offer me more hours because work has more hours to offer, so I was like, I'll take them. So I started doing full shifts the whole week just so I can catch up the previous week hours, since Jules hasn't like sold a home yet. So, you know, we do need the cash for mortgage, since we have a mortgage now, you know. So far so good, so far not bad. He has a few leads, but they're mostly rental properties because of everything going on. A lot of people are scared to buy houses, and we are just waiting for that recession to hit, and then everything will probably reset itself again because the interest rates are insane for a house. That's the game plan. What else is update? I think that's it. That's a snippet of update. We'll continue with the vlog now.
So the dogs are out here. It's like still, what is it, 90 something degrees right now? Let's see, what is it? 95, and it's 7 o'clock. So there's this one bird. I don't know if you guys can see it. He just keeps messing with Sky. And it's so hilarious because now that bird's got them going crazy. And I swear, because Sky starts growling and barking at him, he comes here in the mornings just to mess with him. And earlier, Sparky tried to jump up that wall to get to the bird because he was on that wall. Green trees sprouting so many flowers and such a big mess. Yay. Although this smells amazing. She stopped attacking him because I turned on the camera. You're funny.
Excited?
I sure did.
When did you pickle them? I'm scared. Go around.
Please don't talk. This feels weird. It's slimy.
It's a slimy.
Slowly.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey, don't be getting water everywhere, bruh.
I'm doing my thing.
Do we need a bigger bowl?
Maybe. It's like not that soft yet.
Bruh, you just ate your chubs.
Okay.
I was dipped in sauce.
Oh, that's like, it's kind of hard to.
Like in the spring rolls, honey? Come out good? Even you like the spring rolls.
I used to not like them.
I was like, what, your second one or third one?
Second one.
Wow. Is that your second one?
This is my third one.
Oh, I'm about to go on my third one too.
But I don't put hella noodles like you guys. The only reason I
Pickle
was baking so
these
much is
first.
because it's old. And then it's not as like, it was fresh and it wouldn't be as fresh.
It's so good.
Yeah. It still tastes good, of course. But it's just hard.
Still, buddy. Here we go again. The suspect chirping away. She was chasing him, but I I just gave them their stick. So now she's occupied with that. And I think this guy's getting upset because she's not trying to chase him. Oop, there she goes. It can be good to go once I can just pull it out the freezer. It's already marinated. Using the Shun knife Eva and Illiana got me.
It doesn't recognize stage. I don't know what I'm saying. It doesn't smell like a cow. If he's not a cow, what is he? He's a dark fucking.
Usually I like to trim a little bit this muscle fat. This knife cuts like butter. See, like this part is like tough, so definitely cut that off. Or it's gonna be chewy when you cook it and cut it up. Bought this steak at Costco because the flank is always so expensive now. So if you buy it at the store, it's usually like $14 a pound. Alright, so all the meat's chopped up in 2 separate bags. And now the marinade. I make a lot of orange juice, a little bit of lime juice, and fresh lemon. So a little bit of all 3. Alright, so now squeeze most of the citrus in there, both bags. I'm gonna season it with cumin, some garlic salt, pepper, a little bit of ground mustard. Need the granulated garlic. Make one of them a little spicy. A little bit of onion. If I had more ponzu, so I'm gonna substitute it for a little bit of soy sauce. Yeah, and once that's all in there, just let it marinate. Usually, if I'm gonna cook it, probably won't cook it till tomorrow. I'll ask Eva if she wants steak. If not, I'm just gonna freeze it, and then when we're good to go, pull one bag out, pull what we need, and that's it. This guy, he's been smelling me cutting the meat. He's like, "Oh, is that for me?" I gave him a dry chew bone ear that Eva got him. This guy's going for it though. She loves that thing. Hi, mamas. Nosy. That's it, guys. I'm not gonna show you the ratio or else that's gonna be my recipe, but I'll show you what goes into it. Guys, today's Monday. That's funny. Eva says I say too much, which is true. Today is her graduation ceremony from elementary school. Next year she's going to middle school. Not gonna be going to the office today. Yeah, so our ceremony is at 9:30 and just lost my train of thought. 8:55, only takes like 5 minutes to get to school, and they want all the kids to arrive first and then the parents can come in half an hour later, because I'm sure they know parents are just gonna bum rush. We're looking forward to that. And then gonna be putting away the doggies for now.
What a fantastic feeling to be here together to send our 5th graders on to the next phase of their education.
Good morning, it's Sarah Y'all. We are really enjoying this celebration, and it's been a hard working year for them, but they have so earned it. So let's get started. Illiana GRADUATES. Shenanigans.
What's up, guys? You middle schoolers now? Yeah? Alright, hold on.
Like a week and a half.
How does it feel? It's about to be a middle schooler.
It's like a piece of whatever I want.
To get in, it's the last time you're gonna be in this classroom.
What? So I'm not going for 2 days?
I don't know.
Wait a minute, you don't know, you just...
Just saying, take it in.
I'm scared of everywhere, bro. I'm scared of school again.
Alright, let's go.
It's so bright, man. I can't see. Okay, when you say go, like I actually can't see nothing. All I see is bright.
Last time.
Bye-bye, school.
Bye-bye, school.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Bye-bye, cruel world.
Goodbye to life.
Bye-bye, life.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye-bye.
Tokyo. I love anime merch and anime snacks. That's the only really reason I want to go to anime merch. I'm gonna eat it now. I'm hungry.
Graduation brunch, huh?
Feels good.
Bro, look at that chocolate. It's not even 11. Oh my gosh. We better eat all them eggs, bro. Shoot, I'm about to take a big old bite of that. I got the dogs a little kiddie pool because it's gonna be so hot. They're already sweating. I'm sweating from pumping it. And it's a 3-layer inflation. Luckily I have this pump, but as it starts getting full, the air comes out, so I gotta basically put my mouth over this to hold the air in. Whew. Sweat. Alright, let's see what the finished product looks like. So I'm a third of the way through. Look at that. Illy actually helped this time. Wow, you're ready to soak. Hello, summer. Yeah, you're gonna drown like that.